Hi, I'm Isabella.
Hi, I'm Jana.
And we are from Merijan.
So this video is part of our Education Box 2030 as a collaboration project between the district Kalpitiya in Sri Lanka and Charlottenburg-Wilmersdorf here in Berlin. It was initialized by Kitesurfing Lanka and us, Merijan. In our first video, you learned how to segregate plastic waste. Today we're going to show you how to upcycle plastic.
We're going to show you how to melt plastic into new and useful products, like a face shield, for example. We have some plastic trash that we collected and washed, and now we can shredder it in this shredder.
So this is the plastic flakes from the shredded plastic. Now in the second step, we will put it into the injection molding machine.
The mold has to be preheated, otherwise the plastic doesn't melt and shape the way we want it to be. So depending how cold or hot it is outside, it also depends how long we preheat the mold.
The injection molding machine has been preheated already, and now I'm gonna put the shredded plastic flakes into the small barrel here. So there's a metal pipe here and some heating modules that heat up the pipe to 230 to 250 degrees. And now we're putting the flakes on top and push them down into the pipe where the plastic is melted. Isabella places the mold. I close it. And now she's filling the plastic from the pipe into the mold, which goes to both sides. And it's already full, and we can take out the mold.
To open the mold, we use these tools.
The mold is very hot now because we just injected 230 degrees hot plastic. So it's always important to wear gloves and be very careful. And Isabella is now unscrewing the mold to take the face shield part out of the mold. And it turned out well.
It is perfect.
So today we're making a face shield that consists out of 3 parts. It's this part, the second part, which is the shield. It will be connected to the side, simply like this. And together with a rubber band, you can just attach it to your head. And to make this part, we already prepared this one. And now we just blueprint this one onto it and cut it. It's very important to measure the holes because they are the connecting part to the wire. To cut this, we take a simple scissor and just follow the lines.
It's good if it's a little bit hard to put on, like this it holds better. Perfect.
Now we can simply attach it to the sides. And because of the little holes, it's easy to adjust to different head sizes, like Isabella's and mine. And you can put it
Perfect.
and wear it. So all the spare, the extra plastic, we can actually put back into the shredder, and like this we're not creating any new waste because we can just recycle everything in this whole process.
And if you want to participate in our workshop or knowing more about what we do, you can just subscribe below. Thank you for watching.